And so it's Monday. No, it's not Monday. It's Wednesday, the 1st of December, 1546. And as I get my dates completely wrong, I thought if I get the date wrong, if I get the if I get the year wrong deliberately, then then it doesn't matter. I, but I thought it was I thought it was Monday. It's Wednesday, and it's raining and it's cold and it's okay. Google, tell me a fact.
Absolutely. According to Wikipedia, puppies do not fully open their eyes until they're about 10 days old.
Yes. I, I, I thought for a moment that Google said poppies, but I think Google said puppies. And of course, puppies couldn't open their eyes, but mightn't open their eyes, but poppies don't have an eye. Oh dear, oh dumb. Well, yes, perhaps someone will find this video funny. Yes, or I can just laugh myself. And yes, well, yes, well. Until tomorrow then, when it'll be Saturday the 15th of December, won't it? And it's, oh, by the way, it's 2021, the last month of 2021. Okay, until tomorrow then.